Today we're making Jamaican steamed cabbage. Quick, flavorful, and one of the easiest yard style sides you can add to any dinner. If you grew up on this, you already know it hit different. Let me show you how to make it. I'm starting off with a large cabbage. You can also slice this thinner if you want to. Click the link in my bio to get this. In a large pan, add coconut oil for that island flavor. You also can use butter if you don't have coconut oil. Time for the aromatics. Garlic, pimento berries, crushed red pepper flakes, onion, saute for about 1 to 2 minutes. All-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, scallion and thyme. Now give it a nice toss so the seasoning spread evenly. I promise you it's gonna wilt down, okay? Don't worry about it being so big in the pot. And we're gonna allow this to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes or your desired tenderness. Also can adjust seasoning to taste, okay? Now cover and allow to steam for about 8 to 10 minutes. As you can see, it produces its own juices. It's a juicy cabbage. All done. You serve this with saltfish dumpling, rice. It's the type of sides that bring your meal together. I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. And it still has a little crunch to it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. The full recipe will be uploaded on my blog. Click the link in the bio or check the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.